What are the things that you need to think about when it comes to reporting to help you pick the right reporting tool? One of the first things that we always look at is how many people need the information. So is it isolated to one person, or is it multiple people, or is it everyone? Another thing is are the data consumers on premise? And this is really a big topic and is becoming even more so as time has gone along in regards to if you have executives or your sales team or other folks that need access to information but are traveling, visiting with clients or at board meetings, et cetera, et cetera. And so as you know, mobility and people use their phones, use their tablets, and our people are on the go. And so you certainly need to think about who those people are and whether they're working in your office or not. Also, is the data specific to a particular consumer of that data? So is there one person who needs that information, and what are they using it for? What is the importance of it? How often is the data required? So is it like a financial statement that gets looked at once a month, or is it sales data that gets looked at every day? Because that'll help us decide in regards to what is the best tool and how to deliver it. One of the biggest things is, a lot of your data is flowing through Dynamics GP or accompanying ISV or third-party applications. And so are the people who are using the data also using Dynamics GP? Because that certainly can make a difference in regards to how we deliver that information. If the information is native in GP, maybe they can just get it there through some of the tools available. If not, how do we deliver that to them? Here are all of the data consumers employees of the firm. There are situations where people may be subcontractors or valued customers or things like that, where we need to deliver information to them, and we may deliver that in a different way than we would with someone who works within our organization. So think about those things in regards to who is consuming that data, what is their situation, where will they reside, etc., because that can be very important. A couple other things to think about. Have I provided this information to someone else already, and how did I do that? How complex is the reporting requirement? Because we have tools that are very simple, and we have tools that can provide information in a variety of different formats. So we need to think about that as well. What skills do I have on my staff? Report writing can actually often be a technical task to some, and may require some knowledge that not the average user would have, and so that will help us determine, what tools we're going to use and how we deliver it. And then what is the nature of the data? Some things you want to think about in regards to the nature of your data is all of the data housed in Dynamics GP? Is it split between GP and your CRM solution? Do you have an operational system that's a billing system or a manufacturing system or something like that that houses part of the data, but yet you need that data to be incorporated into your reporting and your analytics? So another question you need to ask is, what is the nature of that data? Where does it come from? And how do you need to look at it?